Hi Jacob, welcome back to Inphase for another unboxing today. Today I'm pretty excited, okay? This is brand new. In fact, it's so new, it's not even out yet. Everybody else will have in about 2 weeks. We got a special pre-release from Alpine on this one. This is the brand new iLX-F903D, also known as the Halo9. Alpine really took a step in a different direction here. I don't know if you've seen like the new Mercedes or the new Mazdas or the Hondas where it's kind of like a screen just sitting on the dash. So that's the look they went after. The idea is though is that you can add this to your 2008 Toyota 4Runner. It doesn't matter. So let's open it up, Jacob. All the goodies we expect from Alpine: Android Auto, FLAC, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay. It's got everything we expect. So what's in here? Of course, Alpine always gives us the nice little wire bundle. External GPS antenna. That's nice. Yeah, we don't care about that one. Okay, what's in here, Jacob? Ooh. All right, so it looks like here's the body. Check out the attachment points. Look at this, how serious that steel is right there. So it's a DIN-sized chassis, can fit in most any car. As usual, Alpine with the recessed openings. A lot of cars with shallow dashes. This is super important. This will allow the radio to fit, because it's not too deep. Warning, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, this is heavy. Oh, look at this. Wow. iLX-F903D Halo9. Dude, it's metal. It's got like the lit edges all the way around it. I heard it's a capacitive touchscreen. We'll test that later. But again, look at the steel here, man. This thing is burly. So these two pieces go together like so. Yep. So you can adjust it forward and backwards, up and down. I think it's all install related. So we will do an installation for you guys real soon. And then after that, we'll do like a feature video. So see you next time at Inphase Audio.